Well, good evening. Just a quick update. Today's the 20th of July 2023. And as you can see, the moon already, because of exposure, that looks a heck of a lot fatter than it is. Look at that. I zoom in and it looks like half moon. Well, I shit you not, it's a tiny sliver where we can go right out and try and get some night mode happening on it. That's kind of like what it looks like at the moment. And so it is, no, it's not that. That's what your mum said. Presuming, yeah, it's just a tiny crescent. But as you can probably see, because of exposure and all the rest of the stuff, the unlit part of it is actually visible. You know, if I use my human eyes and just look at it, that little star down to the bottom left, I can't see with my human eyes. That one up to the right of Venus, I can't actually see with my human eyes. And yet, obviously the camera has to overexpose for best light conditions. Let's see if it zoom all the way out to 0.5x. That's, yeah, actually the true light conditions are a little bit more like to 0.9, very close to that. See, digital cameras are shit. As soon as I go to, that's still 0.9. As soon as I go to 1, boom, like that. Yeah, I can't see that star to the right of Venus or the star directly underneath it near the horizon. My eyes don't see it, but I can see the moon. And what it is it's a very thin crescent moon, and the unlit portion of it, now that's important, the unlit portion of it is visible. That's what I'm getting at. The moon is illuminated by the sun. And in this type of light, in deep dark twilight, it's still basically invisible, but you can still sort of see it as a ghostly shadow. And in daylight, you won't see it at all. Thus is the nature of light. Today's lesson over.